Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day. I heard from a few of you, and good to hear that you guys had some success today trading. So congratulations. All right. Great job. All right, guys. Let's get right into it. Let's go over, all right, the price action today. Let's go over the markets. And we'll start with big picture. All right. So welcome, guys. Welcome. Big picture on the Dow, guys. All right. On the weekly time frame, here we are on the Dow approaching resistance. Okay. Right now we close right around 41,000. Our resistance is 41,000 and change. Okay. So we're right there on the weekly time frame. All right. On the monthly time frame, also looks great here. All right, monthly time frame on the Dow, buy signal here, right, all-time highs, moving up nicely, no selling. All right, so nice upward trend, big move. Okay, big move in the Dow. All right, the S&P, all right, same thing, near all-time highs on the S&P, and we are in September, which should be bearish, guys, but here we are, all-time highs, holding at resistance right here on the weekly time frame on the S&P. On the monthly time frame on the S&P, here we are right here at the all-time highs. Okay, so markets are at all-time highs. If we break through these all-time highs, we'll be at new highs with no resistance above. Okay. All right, the NASDAQ, guys, NASDAQ buy signal here. We had a bit of a pullback last week, white candle here, but guess what? Buyers came in this week, and we've got green candle here this week. Okay, so good price action on the NASDAQ. Also, on the weekly time frame, on the monthly time frame, guys, we're holding right at resistance. All right here, we're holding that resistance. Buy signal here, we need to break through that resistance on the monthly, right? Is on the monthly time frame. Okay. The Russell still holding, trading between support and resistance. All right. So still trading between support, right down here, resistance. Good news is, right, we recaptured the moving average. We've got green candles here. Right, after a week, last week of selling, right, buyers came into here, and we need to break through resistance right here. Remember, small caps, that's the IWM. All right, small caps, Stock Boss, Bullmaster, all right, and Bullmaster Pro, that's NASDAQ and the S&P. Russell on big picture monthly time frame, right? Still trading, again, wider range here, but trading below, within support and resistance. We're looking for a break, all right? So price to break through that resistance here, okay? On the IWM, okay? All right. The VIX, guys, is moving lower. You guys remember it made a move above 20. Actually came all the way up to about 23 and trading right now at 17. Okay, so 17 on the VIX, not bad, right? To become more bullish, we need the VIX to continue to move lower. Okay, but 17 on the VIX, we'll take that for now, long as it stays under 20. Okay, the Mag 7. Let's take a look at the Magnificent 7. Google right here. Let's take a look here. All right, holding, guys, was moving in the markdown phase and recovered a bit right here. And so it's finding support right here. So this whole area here, all right, is support. It gapped up today, and it's trying to recover that support line. All right. Hey, T, welcome, T, welcome. All right, so Google is holding. A lot has to happen, though, guys, for it to move higher. We've got to get past, right, all this area here. Resistance is about right here. We are a long way for that. Right? We don't even have white candles here. So just not tradable yet. Okay. Meta, Facebook, we have a very tight range. Okay. On Meta, we have a gapped up today, gapped up daily time frame, gapped up today, green candles, and we're looking to break through resistance here. Right? If we break through resistance, we'll get a buy signal, probably somewhere up in this area, right up here. Previous buy signal failed. Hopefully this time around, going into the fourth quarter, we get a buy signal. Hopefully this one will last. NVIDIA, good price action on NVIDIA today, guys. We got a green candle today. All right. Yesterday was a white candle. Notice how we went from, right, red candles to white candles to green candles. So pay attention to your candles, okay? Nice reversal. We'll look to test resistance here. NVIDIA, we did a couple of videos on NVIDIA. All right, we're looking for a big move higher with NVIDIA. If it doesn't break through, right, doesn't break through resistance, test support, we could see it move lower. But right now, we're looking for it to move higher. Green candle closed for the day. That's good. All right. That's always a good sign. Resistance is right here. Okay. Trading at 119. Amazon. All right. Good price action on Amazon. It's still stuck between its range here. You guys see here. Right. Resistance, support. All right. 3 days of buying. 1, 2, 3 days of buying. 3 up days. Right. Getting near resistance to break through. This is where buyers got in before, right here. Buy signal that failed. Buy signal here that failed. Hopefully, if we break through, we'll get a buy signal, and hopefully this one will work out. Now, we get into fourth quarter. This is Amazon, right? All that Christmas shopping, all right, should pay dividends for Amazon. That stock should, hopefully, break the resistance, give a buy signal, and move higher. Not bad returns for the day, all right, for equities. Microsoft, all right, same thing here, guys. You see what's happening here? They're setting up nicely, all right? So we are not trading at support. These are, right, testing that resistance, getting close to resistance. Microsoft, 2 days of buying, right? Green candle here, green candle, and right here at resistance. All right, previous buy signal right at resistance failed. Hopefully this one, again, work out. So you guys see what's happening here. Tesla, green candles here. We are distance away from resistance. All right, so resistance is all the way up here. We right here in Tesla. We still have to wait for the buy signal. If you're trading it on the daily time frame like we do here, we have to wait for the buy signal. The buy signal, guys, will come in somewhere in here, all right, or even out of that zone here, okay? That's Tesla and Apple. All right, Apple, guys, is holding. We talked about this one here, holding near resistance. That's good for us, all right? It's not holding, hugging support. It's holding resistance. We need to break through resistance and get a buy signal just like we did here prior. Okay, so Apple holding. So not bad price action, guys. The selling has been done. All right, the selling has been done. No more selling. All right, no more selling. They're holding. All right, holding. Even Tesla, they're holding. All right, so no more selling. Only Google that's back here, but guess what? If you guys look here, it's trying to recover. Okay, so it's the only one that's still in some trouble there. The rest are recovering nicely. Bitcoin, guys, same thing. No change. All right, no change. 70,000 is got to really get past 70,000, trading at 59 to really talk about Bitcoin. The dollar index still holding at 109. Not a lot of change here. We were hoping that the dollar would make a move higher. All right, so it's just holding. And same with pound yen. All right, just kind of holding there, but towards the downside. Okay, so we're still in shorts, especially on the 240. Those shorts are doing really well. All right, so we'll take a look at those. Pound yen on the monthly, same thing here. Okay, just holding, but we are looking for a move lower. So let's do this. All right. All right. This is big picture here on pound yen. All right. So this area here, that's an area of concern right here. And that's big resistance because it's on the monthly time frame. Every candle is a month's worth of data. So we need to pay attention to this area here, okay? And right here. All right, so, all right, 3 areas here. All right, pay attention to that, okay? So we've highlighted so that we don't forget. Okay. Forex, our monster scalper traders, Forex dominator traders, we have a lot of volatility on their daily time frame. Good volatility. All right. On the daily or volume, you can call it. All right. But volatility for Forex. On the 240, we are consolidating a bit. Look here. All these red symbols in here, guys. So these are consolidating. So be careful with the 240, the particular trades, the yen trades that are doing well, you guys note they're all the way up here, these yen trades, okay? But everything else, just be careful. On the 60-minute time frame, all right, we've got about 65% volatility, okay? But really pay attention, be careful on the 240 if you're trading anything else other than the yen pairs, okay? All right, the yen pairs we've got on the daily time frame. We'll start here. Daily time frame, new down. That is good. Okay, so we'll look for shorts in Forex dominator. Okay, shorts in Forex dominator, if I don't forget. Okay, so on the daily time frame, guys, selling. They have continued selling. We have new down on the daily. On the 240, we've got good selling here. And on the 60-minute, it's kind of mixed here. And we have sellers coming in the Aussie and Kiwi pairs on the daily. Yen pairs, we have selling, but they're mixed, okay? Mixed in here, all right? We just need more direction on the dollar index right here, okay? If we can get a white candle or green candle, that would be great, ideal, okay? All right. Current positions. Well, before we do that, on the daily time frame, we're looking for a buy signal. Not quite ready yet, guys, on the indexes. So the S&P, all right, SPY. All right, let's change this back. All right, on the S&P, guys, green candles here. We talked about it, right here at resistance, looking to break through that resistance and give a buy signal, okay? Tomorrow is Friday. Right, might not happen tomorrow, but hopefully next week we could see a buy signal, okay? And then and only then we'll start adding stocks again out of Stock Boss, Bullmaster, and Bullmaster Pro. Okay, so S&P is setting up. Guys, like I've mentioned this before, this might have been the low here. All right, for the season. This might have been the low in August right here. And we're moving up ever since. Okay, so it doesn't look like the market, anything can happen. We know that, but it doesn't look like we'll have any additional selling for the summer, okay? NASDAQ. All right, similar right here. Green candles coming in. We need to break through the resistance, give a buy signal, okay? At a minimum, we need the market to hold, all right? So it doesn't have to break through that resistance now. It's hard to do that in September, but October, right? Late October, mid to late October, into November, we could see buy signals come in. Okay. If it happens early, I'll be surprised. Okay. On the Dow, we do have a buy signal already. Retrace, held. All right. Held the trend line. Look here. All right. And we are moving higher. Okay. On the Dow, buy signal here. Retraced. Now moving higher. Good price action on the Dow. All right. On the NASDAQ, did we look at the NASDAQ? NASDAQ. All right. Yeah. NASDAQ, same thing. Green candle here. Right. We need to break through that resistance there. Okay. IWM, so the Russell, still trading within a range, but stay trading above the range, which is good for the IWM. We're not expecting a lot from the Russell right now. Okay, so buy signal, well, never mind. Here's your range here, and here it is. At least it's trading above resistance right here. Okay, that's Russell IWM for Stock Boss. All right, let's go through current positions now. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Current positions. Long positions on the 60-minute time frame. Let's go through those. Longs on the 60-minute. USD MXN. All right, guys. Buy signal was here. All right. Sellers came in. Red candle. All right. We were hoping that the dollar, boy, I tell you, that dollar would, give a white candle and keep moving higher. We did get in early here. Okay. But boy, it is just holding here. We needed to break through near-term resistance and give at a minimum a white candle to really get going. But sell signal. So buy signal here, sell signal, red candles. We should be out. If we're still in, that's not good. We should be out by that first red candle right here. Okay, small losses, remember, big wins. So USD MXN, close the trade, please, on the 60-minute. USD CZK, all right, buy signal here. I think it was, we didn't take this one here. This was the last one here. This was a couple of days ago. So buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade. USD CZK. USD PLN, all right, buy signal here, sell signal here. We didn't take this trade right here. USD PLN, close the trade, please. Dollar CAD, all right, buy signal here, sell signal here, close the trade, please. Dollar CAD. Dollar ZAR, all right, I think it was this one here, buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade, please. All right. So no more long the dollar for now. All right. Aussie dollar. This is new. Aussie dollar. Buy signal here. Really good markdown. Well, choppy markdown phase. But look here. All right. Here's your markup. All right. Buy signal moving higher nicely here. So Aussie dollar. Aussie CAD, all right, buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Let's draw it out. I think our entry on this one was about right in here, right? Somewhere in here, I believe, okay? A little high, but still good. That's Aussie CAD. All right, Aussie Swiss. All right, same thing here. So Aussie pairs, hopefully you guys are taking advantage. Hey, Anthony, welcome, Anthony, welcome. Antonio, I'm sorry. Antonio, welcome. Antonio's brand new with us. We'll start his coaching on Monday, I believe. Welcome, Anthony, welcome. Antonio. I'm going to mess you up. I'm going to mess up your name because we have an Anthony. So I apologize, buddy. But welcome, welcome. All right, so Aussie Swiss, good markdown phase, buy signal here. All right, all green candles moving up nicely here, okay? So we have Aussie dollar right here. See what's going on here, guys? Aussie dollar, buy signal moving up nicely. We can actually move this target all the way up here for now. Aussie CAD, all right, nice markdown, buy signal moving up nicely. And then Aussie Swiss, okay? All right, nice markdown phase. All right. All right. Hey, TJ, welcome, welcome. And let's see here. Aussie yen. All right. Aussie yen. All right. A good markdown phase. Now, keep an eye on this one here. These yen pairs. Now, we took this because of the Aussie pairs. Okay. They're moving higher. But, you know, Aussie yen, that's part of the yen group, and we shortened the yen. So, all right, Aussie yen might struggle. Okay, so we have buy signal here, purple support and resistance, white candle here. Keep an eye on it, okay? It will want to go lower, so just keep an eye on it there, okay? Aussie yen. On the 60-minute time frame. So we're not in the dollar longs on the 60. We've got Aussie pairs on the 60 long. We've got some short positions on the 60-minute in Monster Scalper. Let's take a look at those. Short. All right, so Swiss yen, all right, Swiss yen, guys, still holding its short position. Check it out. On the 60-minute time frame, good trade. Sell short signal here, all right, still holding, all right, nothing to do there. All right, Swiss yen, good short on the 60-minute in Monster Scalper. ZAR yen, all right, that's short. We had to cover, so short here. Held support. You look here, guys. They held support. Right. Green candles, white arrow here. Buy to cover. Close the trade. So ZAR yen, close the trade, please. Okay. CAD yen, also so short here. Right. Hit resistance right here. So short. I think we got in somewhere in here. All right. Buy to cover. Close the trade, please. CAD yen. So clean things up. Aussie yen, same thing. So short here. Buy to cover. Now, don't go long on these guys. Okay, don't go long. We're looking for a bigger move lower, right? See what pound yen is doing, and these yen pairs will follow pound yen. Okay, so don't go long, right? Only reason we did Aussie yen long because that's the Aussie group. Okay, so be careful going long. All right. So Aussie yen, close it on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. Short. SGD JPY, so short here, buy to cover. Green candle broke resistance. Okay. Remember, small losses, big wins. Pound yen, so short, buy to cover. Here, nothing we can do about this, guys, right? That move didn't last long, right? Recovered, and here we are. All right, pound yen, close the trade. Euro yen, so short here, buy to cover, not a bad trade here. I think we got out here and then got back in. All right, so euro yen, close the trade, please. Dollar yen. So short here, buy to cover, close the trade. Now, keep an eye on this on the 60-minute. Okay, we could get And these yen pairs, like I said, they want to move lower, especially with pound yen breaking down. Okay, so we could get another sell short signal overnight. Okay, on a break of support here. So don't give up on this short trade with these yen pairs. Okay, stay with them. Dollar yen, close the trade, please. HKD JPY sold short here, buy to cover, a bit choppy in here, very choppy in here. Hopefully we break through support here and we get another trade like this here, hopefully. Okay. All right, support here, we're looking to break through, hopefully get another sell short signal. TRY JPY sold short here, buy to cover. All right. And again, we've got support here, and we're looking to break through, hopefully get another sell short signal. Okay? All right. So TRY, JPY, close this trade. Also, HKD, JPY, close it. So everything, guys, we're having to close on the 60-minute now, except for Swiss yen. Swiss yen, right, we'll continue to hold. And then Aussie dollar, Aussie CAD, Aussie Swiss, Aussie yen, long, okay? But boy, keep an eye on that Aussie yen, okay? On the 240, long positions on the 240, and we'll go over my favorite trade right now, which is short yen pairs on the 240. Okay, that's the best trade going right now. And those are the leaders right now, right? Those are the top trending pairs short in all of Forex. Okay, if I can grab this here. Hold on. All right. Okay, 240-minute time frame, guys. Long positions in Monster Scalper. We have Euro, Aussie. I don't think we've got anything here. Let's take a look. All right, so Euro, Aussie, right here. All right, that closed. So buy signal here. Red candle, broke support, sell signal, close the trade, please. Okay, so Euro, Aussie, we should be out of that trade. All right, USD PLN, buy signal here. All right, red candle, close the trade, please. Okay, so close the trade, right? That's too bad with the dollar pairs, dollar index just holding there. USD SEK, buy signal here, red candle, close the trade. Okay, when you guys get a red candle, don't wait on your sell signal, this white arrow here, go ahead and close the trade, okay? All right, we can have sellers come in like this and like this, okay? So we want to get out quickly, take that loss or take that profit and move on, all right? Move on, no big deal, it's not personal. USD DKK, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please. USD HUF, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, white arrow here, close the trade. Okay, they're failing right now. USD CNH, buy signal here, white candle, holding, we'll go ahead and close it. We don't have a red candle, guys, but based on what the other pairs are doing, all right, we'll close the trade, okay? USD CNH, okay. Let's see here. Antonio, yeah, this is Forex, so currencies, yeah, currencies, yeah, international, yeah, all the countries. Let's see here. Dollar CAD, buy signal here, white candle coming in here. We'll close this also, guys. Okay, we'll close it. All right, protect your capital there. All right, so dollar CAD, USDN, okay. Buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade. All right, so all right, all the dollar pairs, that's it. Okay, so clean things up. And what this does is it opens, right, not only protects your profit, your P&L, your account, your capital, but it also leaves room, all right, for next opportunity. Now the short yen trade. Now this best short right now, best trade overall right now, okay? All right. All right, Swiss yen. Swiss yen, so short right here, guys. Good price action here. Based on, no guarantees, but based on how it is running and based on what's setting up, all right, with pound yen. The one thing, though, about pound yen, if equity markets start, if the Dow breaks the resistance, S&P, the Dow, the pound yen will recover, okay, and it will do something like this, okay, and like right here, you'll see white candles come in, green candles, and start moving higher, okay. It will follow the equity markets, so that's the only thing. But this trade here, how long has this been? This was 9-4, what is it? It's 9-12. This will run about 30 days. Okay. So we'll see. We'll see if they continue. So, but good trade, good trade. That's for about 400 pips. Yeah, 400 pips so far. Not bad. Okay. So Swiss yen, good trade going. ZAR yen, so short here. All right. White candles are coming in here. Keep an eye on it. We need sellers to come on back down. Red candles, just like here. See here, white candles, then red candle. That's what we need, right? Sellers to come on back. We have a target all the way down here. ZAR yen, CAD yen. Good short here, so short, moving down nicely. See that white candle here, followed by red candles. That's what we want to see with ZAR yen. All right. Nice markdown phase. No yellow support and resistance. That's good. Target all the way down here. New Zealand yen. All right. Told you guys these are great trades going here. Okay. New Zealand yen. So short here. Nice price action. Purple support and resistance. We need sellers to come on back down. All right. Hopefully that happens overnight. Pound yen. All right. We love to trade pound yen. So short here. All right. Good markdown phase. Purple support and resistance. And target all the way down here. Aussie yen. So short. Good price action. We need sellers. White candles. Sellers, come on back down. Yellow support and resistance. Just keep an eye on that. SGD JPY. So short here. Good price action, guys, for about 200 pips. All right. Red candles. All right. Coming in there. That's good. USD. All right. JPY. Dollar yen. All right. So short right here. I struggled a bit. White candle, red candle right here. White candles, red, white candles, red. Okay, so notice that a lot of time, guys, this will happen in the markup phase, but also in the markdown phase where you'll get these white candles right on that moving average. Okay, and then sellers come in. That's exactly what we want. Okay, expect that price to pull back before it moves lower. Doesn't go down in a straight line. Okay, so it's going to go down, right? Retrace to that moving average. Come on down. Retrace to that moving average. Come on down. Okay, it happens a lot. Same here, right? Moving average, come on down. Moving average, come on down. Moving average, come on down. All right, so that's the way price action works, right? Kind of like a wave. All right, that's dollar, yen, euro, yen. All right, same thing here. Good short here. So short signal, right? Came down, went up to that moving average, came down, went up to that moving average. Your red line right here came down, went up to that moving average, okay? And red candles So we needed to keep coming lower. Euro, yen. So nothing to change here. All right, good trades going. And these are your top trending pairs in Forex and in Monster Scalper. Okay. On Forex Dominator, we have 3 trades. Let's take a look. Not much here. New Zealand CAD. All right, buy signal here. Horrible chart, but let's see here. So we're breaking out of this big channel here. I don't think we have any traders in this. But we'll see what happens here. Okay, big channel here, downward channel, and we're breaking out of the channel. Resistance is right here, and then further resistance up here somewhere. Okay, New Zealand CAD, pound, right? Pound dollar, same thing. Okay, pound dollar, same thing, but this one has a V here. All right, so this one here, and these are just individual trades, okay? So this is not a rotation. All right. Those of you who've been with us for a while and you want to take a trade, you could perhaps good price action. Look here. All right, wait a second, guys. Hold on, what am I doing? Hold on, sorry about that. Wrong time frame. That's the 60-minute. All right, we need the daily time frame. Sorry about that. All right, sorry about that. New Zealand CAD. All right, we're breaking. Yeah, I thought something was strange. Okay, breaking through resistance here. That's what we're looking for. Very tight. So resistance up here and support. Okay, that's your range. Looking to break out. We're not expecting much here. Okay, if it breaks out, fine. Pound dollar. All right, buy signal was here. We're looking to break through resistance here on the daily time frame. You guys should not be in these trades though. New Zealand dollar. All right, we do have a few traders that trade Forex Dominator. They look for big moves. Okay, otherwise. Most of our traders are in Forex Dominator, 60-minute and 240. All right, good markdown downward trend line here, and we're looking to break out here. Not much. We'll look to add. It would be great if we can get some shorts. We've been waiting for yen shorts in Forex Dominator. So hopefully we'll have some opportunities, okay? Equities, now stocks are moving, but we'll wait. We are still waiting patiently for buy signals, okay? We'll wait for buy signals on the indexes. So Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, and the Russell will wait for buy signals to start adding stocks, okay? It is still September, and we have to take seasonality into account. All right, so we need good confirmation. IAG, buy signal here, good price action, gapped up in Stock Boss, good trade there. We only have 2. All right, AQST, buy signal here, good trading. All right, all yellow support and resistance in Stock Boss. So 2 trades, doing well, holding well. All right, you guys know we normally track so many more. We track a lot of stocks when things are moving. All right, it's a lot of work. All right, when the stocks are moving. Bullmaster, HCA, buy signal here. All right, holding up nicely here. Healthcare, THC, buy signal here, right? Recovered nicely, right? Green candles came in here. And then Bullmaster Pro is becoming very popular, right? So Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. ADMA, buy signal holding. Carver, look at Carver, guys. All right, we traded it here, bought here, sold here, before here, right? Had a buy signal here, sell signal here. This buy signal, we called it, and moving up nicely and looking to break the high here. Carver, good trade going, 125. I remember it was all the way over here at 70. Coke. All right, keep an eye on Coke, guys. Buy signal here, and we've got white candles. We need buyers to come on back. All right, what's good is we have nice price action, yellow support and resistance, but we need buyers to come on back after these white candles, just like here, okay? PLTR, AI, right? That's part of AI. Buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Good gap up here. That shows strength. SN, buy signal here. Good price action, guys. Fourth quarter, I am telling you guys, get ready for fourth quarter because this market could roar. All right, equities could roar. I mean, near all-time highs going into October. And that's very bullish. Okay. All right. Where are we? What are we doing now? Let's see here. Okay. Our US 30 traders, we called a buy signal. So let's take a look here. A buy signal on the US 30. Now, we had data that came out this morning. Now, we don't have any data coming out tomorrow. All right. So overnight, no data. In the Euro session, in the New York session, right, there isn't any data either. Okay, so we're going to hold on to this trade. So if you guys got out on this red candle here, it's up to you. All right, I know some of you with Solomon, you guys are trading the smaller time frames. That's fine. Like I said, we'll always continue to track it on the 60-minute time frame. Use even if you trade on a smaller time frame, use the 60-minute as direction. So when we send out the alerts to our monster US 30 traders, like this one here that we did, okay, use that for direction, okay? All right. Do we use the 200 EMA and the 50? No, we don't use the 200 EMA. I know traders do that. The EMAs that we use are proprietary. All right. So these are the EMAs we use right here. Okay. And we just use the EMAs we use is just to separate the buyers from the sellers. Okay. But yeah, traders use the 50 and the 200. Very, very popular EMAs. You guys can use that. All right, good question though. So what we're looking at is the buy signal. We're still holding this trade here, buy signal. Like I said, if you got out on this red candle, which you're supposed to, right? You can always get back in if you guys want to do that. Okay. Even if you trade, right? You trade with Solomon with on the Discord. Still follow the direction. Okay. And we have good direction going here on the daily time frame on the US 30. We have buyers coming in here. All right, buyers coming in here. All right, so today's close with a green candle. That's very bullish. And currently, we have the start of a green candle there. Resistance is up here. And we do have a buy signal. So it's still holding its buy signal, guys. Very, very bullish, okay? That's a very bullish sign. And again, no data in the morning. Okay, so we'll hold it right here. All right, we'll bring this down right here. And we are breaking out of this range right here. Okay. All right. If we want to target on the 60-minute time frame, we have resistance right about here. Okay, on the NAS 100, we do have a buy signal on the NAS. Great trade going here on the NAS 100, guys. Good V here, buy signal here, great trade going. And on the daily time frame, all right, held support, white candles, and we have the beginning of a green candle here. Target is all the way up here. And guess what, guys? These indexes are near all-time highs, okay? So, all right, don't try to short these. If you short them, all right, look for a quick move, small time frame, okay? 60-minute buy signal here, good price action. That's on the NAS. And on the S&P, same thing. Buy signal here. All right, that's a lot of money there, guys. Look at that. Buy signal here. Good price action. Here is your markdown phase. Here is your markup phase. All right, that's like a rubber band. It's going to pull that trade hopefully all the way up and hopefully break through. On the daily time frame, looks good. All right, on the daily time frame right here. All right, held support. All right, green candles, buyers are coming in. All right, so we're not trading on the daily. We use the daily to find direction. Okay, so even if you're trading on the 5-minute time frame, I know you guys do that with Solomon. The 5-minute time frame, use your daily. Right, I know some of you use your 240. Use the daily. If you use the 240, that's fine too. Okay, but good trade. If we bring in, this is the 60-minute. If we bring in a 5-minute, let's see what it's doing on the 5-minute here. All right, so very choppy in here. All right, very choppy. Caught a few trades in here. Buy signal here. Okay, but that 60-minute could last. Will definitely last. I'm not sure that 5-minute would last though overnight. Okay. All right, but US 30, all right, definitely, look at that, really building up here, really building up. All right, we're good on time. Stock Boss, Bullmaster Pro. I just want to show you guys, we're seeing stocks come through the institutions. We're gonna run it right now. Let me run it. So 67 for Stock Boss, that's good. All right, that is good. 67 for Stock Boss, that's good. All right, things are picking up. Healthcare, all right, we have a good bit of healthcare. Look at that. All right, all of this here is healthcare. Right, all of this here is healthcare. Let's see, tech. All right, not as much tech. All right, but healthcare. All right, looks good. That's Stock Boss. And we just tried, guys. I just ran this, and that's over 20, almost 21,000 stocks that quickly. Okay. So they're buying. This came down as low as 20, a little bit less than, about 20, 19, 20. So they're picking up. They're starting to buy. Those institutions are starting to buy. But this is small caps. Okay. Small cap. Bullmaster. Let's run it just to see. All right, 63, that's not a lot for Bullmaster. We need to see more. We've got some healthcare there and a little bit of tech. All right, healthcare and tech. We want to see healthcare and tech really take over. And then the others will come in. Bullmaster Pro is doing really well. I've heard from a few of our Bullmaster Pro traders. They're doing really, really well. All right, with fundamentals, all green, guys. Look at this. That's a good day. That's a healthy day. All right, all green for Bullmaster Pro. Again, we'll add. All right, we'll start to add as soon as we get some buy signals. Okay, on the indexes. Before I forget. Let's take a look at Forex Dominator, and then we'll look at Monster Scalper for opportunities. We want to see sell short signals on these yen pairs in Forex Dominator. Okay, we've been waiting on those. All right, TRY, JPY, this is one we've missed already. So short right here in a great, look at that, beautiful short trade going here, right? Really good price action, guys. That's for a ton of pips there. TRY, JPY. All right, Aussie yen, we are waiting for a short signal. CAD yen, we are waiting for a short signal. So they're taking their sweet time there. Pound yen, we are waiting for a sell short signal, a new one, yeah, new one. Pound yen, New Zealand yen, we're waiting for sell short signal, so no signals. Swiss yen, that's already in there. Euro yen, that's already in. HKD, that's your Hong Kong yen, that's already in. Great trade going here, guys. Look at that. Look at that. And it is breaking near, well, that's not near-term support, but it's breaking support here. So next target is all the way down here. What a beautiful trade. Let's see here. HKD JPY. All right, look at that. Great trade going here, guys. Look at that. Dollar yen. All right, good short going here. Dollar yen. Same thing, breaking support here. Next target all the way down here. All right, you guys got, well, I know, I don't think we have anyone in this trade here. All right, unless Tylac trades this quite a bit. ZAR yen, and so we still waiting for buy signals, okay, on these. We have a few buy signals, but we need more buy signals, new buy signals to come in. I don't think we've got any, and nothing here. Okay, so let's go through Monster Scalper. We'll look for longs in the Kiwi pairs, and then we'll be done, and we're right on time, okay? So Aussie dollar, we're in that already. Aussie New Zealand, we didn't get into that one. On the 60-minute, that's gone already. On the 240, we'll add it on the 240. So Aussie yen right here. All right, good markdown phase, buy signal, it's holding on the 240. So Aussie, New Zealand, long on the 240, okay. Aussie Swiss, we're in that one already. Aussie CAD, we're in that one already. On the 60-minute, and we are going to call it on the 240 also. Let's make sure here. Okay, yeah, not bad. So here is our small markdown phase here. Buy signal, and now we're moving higher. Okay. Target is here. Pretty good resistance here. If we break through, we could move higher. So Aussie, AUD, CAD, long on the 240. Okay. And that's not good for the yen pairs, though. What that tells us is that, right? All right. The indexes are moving higher. The Aussie pairs are starting to move higher. Guess what? These yen pairs will start to move higher. So the yen shorts on the 240 might not last long, right? They might not last a month. All right, they might last a couple of weeks. Okay. All right. So Aussie yen, and now the Kiwi, Aussie CAD, Kiwi pairs. New Zealand dollar, buy signal here, moving up nicely. We'll add that. So NZD, USD on the 60-minute time frame, right here. New Zealand Swiss, that's gone. All right, New Zealand CAD, that's still in play. So NZD, CAD, long on the 60-minute time frame here. Okay. New Zealand CAD on we on it on the in Forex dominator. Okay. ZAR yen, nothing here. Keep an eye on ZAR yen. New Zealand yen, not yet. So if you guys are shorting the yen pairs on the 240, keep an eye on those, okay? All right, a few of those closed already, but keep an eye on those. All right, nothing here. All right, Aussie yen on the 60-minute. Now we're in this already. We'll wait on this. Okay. Still no direction on the euro and the yen pairs. Okay. The dollar pairs, let's see if we can find some shorts. You guys know the dollar index is moving lower, right? All right, moving lower or holding, but it has red candles. Okay. All right. So USD, PLN short on the 60-minute time frame right here. All right. USD SEK short. Now you guys know you don't have to take all of these. Just find your area, find your spot. All right. USD SGD short on the 60-minute. Short on the 60-minute time frame here. USD NOK, that's gone too far, guys. Sell short signal here. It's all the way down here. USD MXN, that's gone. USD HUF, that's gone. Don't chase them. All right, this is still in play. USD DKK, short on the 60. Okay. USD CZK, short on the 60. Wait for the short here and nothing here. Okay. On the 240, let's see. All right, so short right here, guys. Had to buy to cover. Green candles here. Sellers are coming back in. So USD SGD. And ideally, we would like the dollar to come on down. It's tricky. Short. So don't go heavy on these guys. All right. USD MXN. Short on the 240. Okay, right here. Good short setup here. And good risk reward support here and all the way down here. Okay. On the 240 there. Nothing here. All right. I think that's it. All right. So we have lots of opportunities. So Aussie, what are we doing? We are long Aussie. Okay. So Aussie pairs long. With the Kiwi pairs also. Dollar short. Okay. Those yen pairs will on the 240. Keep an eye if you guys are trading those on the 240. Keep an eye. All right, those could close, but just watch them. Too soon to go long on those. Okay, equities we're just waiting. All right, we're just waiting. Things are developing. We're getting more stocks in Stock Boss and Bull Master. Okay, so our Stock Boss traders, Bull Master traders, you guys should be getting ready. All right, for the fourth quarter for the Christmas. All right. Christmas rally. Okay. So things are setting up perfectly for the fourth quarter. All right. I'll see everyone on Sunday. Okay. Those of you who are trading with Solomon, good job. All right. A lot of interaction this week. Who was it? Joseph. Joseph did really well. All right. I think Joseph made how much? 600 and change. Yesterday, he gave some of it back, right? Overtraded a bit and figured some things out. And he made, 400 and something today. All right. So good job. Keep coming. Do the Discord, right? For brand new traders, just learn from our experienced traders. Okay, so but Solomon will, if he's not on there, guys, because he's busy too, like we all are. So if he's not on there, there are other traders that should pop in and out. Okay, so you guys can ask them any questions or concerns. Okay, so all right, I will see everyone on Sunday. Good trading. Be careful though. Okay. So things are still funky, all right? We don't have clear direction. So just be careful, okay? All right. See everyone on Sunday.